Hey everyone, Nathan from Elegant Themes here. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an overview of extras, header, and menu options. So there are two places within the extra theme that you can adjust the header and menu options. The first place is in Extras Theme Options. To go there, go to Extra, Theme Options. In the General Settings, you can choose to enable or disable a fixed navigation bar right here. So what does that mean? So fixed navigation, if you see on the front end here, is when you scroll down and the nav bar fixes to the top of the page here. So if you choose to disable that and click Save, when I refresh here on the front end and I scroll down, it will not fix itself to the top of my window. It'll stay put where it is. Okay, and the next place that you can adjust things is in your navigation tab here in the ePanel. And within the navigation tab, we have our Pages tab, Categories tab, and General Settings tab. Now there's quite a bit here in each one that you can do to adjust or make adjustments to your header and navigation. So you can choose to exclude pages from your navigation bar. So when you choose to exclude these pages, they will not show up in your navigation bar. You can also choose to show drop-down menus and display home link. In categories, you can do the same thing with the exclusions here. Also below that, you can show drop-down menus, hide empty categories. You can also change the number of drop-down tiers shown, and you can do the same thing on pages for that. Number of drop-down tiers. You can also change the page links by ascending or descending, or sort them differently. Same here. And finally, in General Settings, you can choose to disable the top tier drop-down menu links. Why would you want to do that? Basically, by disabling the top tier drop-down menu links, you're making it impossible to click on, like for right here, Storycraft, but everything below would be clickable. Okay, so the second place within the extra theme that you can control your header and menu options is within the theme customizer. So to get there, we need to go back to our extra menu, one down to theme customizer. Okay, and you'll see within the theme customizer, your second option down under general settings is header and navigation settings. So you want to click there. And here's really where you have the most fine control over your header and navigation. So let's start with header format settings. Here I can choose to center my header and logo, or my navigation and logo, or I can have it left, right. I can also choose to hide that until I scroll. So then it comes out. And if we go back one and down to prime menu bar settings, so primary menu bar settings rather, and that is this menu bar right here. I can choose to make that full width. I can choose to hide the logo. I can change the menu height, logo height, text size, letter spacing, the font style, text color, hover active link color, drop-down menu background color, the drop-down menu line color, drop-down menu text color, the drop-down menu hover / active link color. Finally, the drop-down menu animation. So right now, as you probably noticed, these are flipping in vertically. But I have a whole bunch of animation styles here that I can choose from. I can have it fade in from a number of different directions, scale in, slide in, or flip in. Okay, if we go back one and go down to secondary menu bar settings. So this is your secondary menu bar up here, this top bar. And I can choose to make it full width. I can change its text size, letter spacing, font style, background color, text color, hover and active link colors. I can also adjust the drop-down animation as before. I can change the trending text size, font, style, label text color, trending title text color. I can also adjust these items up here in the top right-hand corner, which would be your social icon, search bar, and cart. All of this is possible without touching any code, just using these settings. Really handy, really powerful. Okay, and next we have the fixed navigation settings. So with the fixed navigation settings, once again, that is when you scroll down and your nav bar fixes to the top. So I can, on that menu, sorry, on that navigation, I can choose to hide my logo image. I can choose to change my menu height, logo height, text size, text color, active link color, and background color. And again, that only changes on the fix. If I scroll back up, it reverts. So this is really handy if you like to have a slightly different styling when someone starts scrolling. So maybe up here you have a centered look that is very tall and prominent, but when people start to scroll, it shrinks to something a little bit more manageable. Okay, and if we go back again to our final option under heading and navigation settings, we have header element settings. And it's here that I'm able to choose to show or not various unique header elements, such as our social icons, our search bar, trending bar, and WooCommerce cart. Or I can choose to have all of them active, whatever combination suits you. Okay, well that is all for this video. This has been a tutorial on how to use and configure extras, header, and menu options. If you have any questions about what we've gone over in this video, feel free to leave us a comment and we'll make sure that you get a response. If you're interested in learning more about Extra or seeing what else it's capable of, you can click the View Demo button. If you're interested in seeing more Extra tutorials, click the subscribe button and never miss a great post. Thanks for watching.